Right, welcome back everybody. This is just a quick video. One of my subscribers did point out that the case that I put on the front of the gearbox in the last video should have shims in it. So I've just been working out what thickness shims I need, which there's a calculation to do, which I'll put a photo in now for about 10 seconds. Yeah, so A was the depth of this. C is the gasket thickness, which is there. That's all covered in grease, ready to go back on. And B was the thickness or the depth of how far the bearing's protruding out. So then D is the size shim you need. So yeah, that's it really. So I'm gonna bolt all this back on now, and then I'll be back where I started. But yeah, short and sweet, but thanks for watching. Another one coming up soon.